Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit DNS records in Godaddy. Updating DNS settings is important when connecting your domain to hosting, email services, or third-party platforms. Let's get started. First, we open your browser. Once the browser is open, we go to godaddy.com. When we are on the Godaddy website, we log into your account. After logging in, we go to your name at the top right corner. Click the drop-down beside your name in the upper right corner. Click it and then click your name. Here, we will see your domains. Choose the domain you want to edit in DNS. You will see the DNS option directly. Here, you can see the records. To add a record, click Add Record. Use the arrow to select the type of record, for example, CNAME, and go to the next step. If you need to add an MX record, you can also click MX Records here. When updating your DNS, you can also create forwarding. Once you are focused on the sequence, you just need to add or edit the record. To edit, click the pencil icon. For example, we edit this for Shopify. Select this Shopify record. After you finish editing, click Save. It's easy and simple to update or edit your DNS. By updating this, you will have a smoother connection between your domains. Once you change this, and after it is propagated, your domain will connect properly to your selected service.